How to know if your message has been read on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can figure out if someone has read our messages in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to figure out if someone else has actually read our messages on Messenger, all we have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up Messenger. Let's say you basically just send a message to someone, right? In this case you'll be able to send them a message like this, and then here you can see this check mark. It means that it is actually delivered, but this person has not seen the message. If this person has basically seen the message, they're going to see profile picture in this case instead of this check mark. So let me show you. In this case you can see the message has been read. That is why you can see this person's profile picture. Otherwise, what you can do is you can tap on the message, and here you'll be able to see the seen option as you would be able to find it here. And this way you can go ahead and figure out if someone has actually read your messages on Messenger. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.